Hi there, what's up? Our bot to scrap data from livable.com is now ready. By using this bot, you will be able to export data in CSV file so that you can easily upload on your WordPress. So in this short video, I will show you how to use this bot. You will receive this zip file from me, and after extracting this file, you need to open this exe file, and this is our bot. Here you will need to put your desired locations, like you have provided these ones. Let me choose some of them. And here is the database system. If bot is crashed during scraping, so our data will not be lost. So this is the database system. To open this file, you will need to install DB browser for SQLite on your Windows. So here is no data, so our data will be also saving here. Okay, just click start button. Now our bot will go to the each location one by one and scrap all the properties data. I have disabled the images option on this browser so that our scraping speed becomes fast. Now it is scraping these data columns, you can see, and I have also put some other columns like HTML format so that you can easily upload on your WordPress. Now it is scraping the data. The data is also saving here. As you can see, data is saving here also. When you click this button, all the data from this database will be erased. And some data columns are empty. It means this information is not on the web page. Now I am going to pause the video. Here is the time, and let's say after 5 to 6 minutes to see the results. Now it has scraped about 9 results. I am going to pause the video. Okay, about 4 minutes ago, so it has scraped about 30 records. Now I am going to show you how to export data in CSV. Let's pause it and click export button, and it has selected the CSV format as default. You can choose other formats as well, and here you will need to choose your path where you want to export. And if you don't change your path, then it will export file in this folder. So, and if you check this button mark as checked, then it will open the file after exporting. So let's export. Okay, this is the CSV file. So now you will be able to upload, and let me show how to export this file from this database. So click this button and export to CSV. Choose your path and save the file. It will also save the file from here. And here is also theme option. You can change the theme. This is our bot. So if there's any problem, please let me know. I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much.